Sri Gurupyo Namaha children. See, this is 10th standard state board chapter 2 exercise 2.4. In exercise 2.4 we are going to see about the sequence. What is sequence? It's a real valued function defined on a set of natural numbers and taking the real values. It's a real valued function. It's defined as a real valued function. It's nothing but a set of natural numbers taking a real values. We are having a finite sequence and infinite sequence. If the number of elements in a sequence is finite, it is nothing but a finite sequence. If the number of elements is in a sequence is infinite, is nothing but a infinite sequence. Now we are going to see about the sequence. See here, 8, 24, 72. You think of it first of all. See, 8 3s are 24. 24 3s are 72. This type of question they will ask in the bank exam, BSRB exam or any CA exam. This type of exam definitely they will ask. Okay, 8 3s are 24. 24 3s are 72. You should find out the next three sequence, next three numbers. See here, you will write 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 24 3s are 72. 72 3s are what? 216. 216 3s are 216 3s are 6 3s are 18. 4 6 648. 648 3s are 648 3s are 8 3s are 24. 4 19 1944. So the next three terms are what are the next three terms? Next three terms are, what is that? 216, 648 and 1944. 216, 648 and 1944. Now you come to the next one. 5 comma 1 minus 3. See, 5 comma 1 minus 3. How? What is the answer? We will get it. See here. Suppose if you want to know, means you can do it in your upper column. 5 plus x equal to 1. The next term is 1. X equal to 1 minus 5. What is that value? Minus 4. So 1 minus 5, it's nothing but what? 1 minus 5 is minus 4. See here, 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Again, what is the next number? 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. So what is the next term? Minus 3 minus 4 equal to minus 7. What is the next one? Minus 7 minus 11 equal to, minus 7 minus 4 equal to minus 11. Minus 11 minus 4 equal to minus 15. The next three terms are, what are the next three terms here? See, minus 7, minus 11, minus 15. Minus 7, minus 11, minus 15. See the next one. What is the next one? 1 by 4, comma, 2 by 9, comma, 3 by 16. In the numerator, it is a natural number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes on like this because it is a natural number. See the denominator. Start with 4. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. So what is that? N by n plus 1 the whole square, because 1 square is missing. It starts with 2. 2 square. Square of 2 is 4. So if n equal to, what is the next term? If n equal to 4, what is the value you are getting? 4 by 4 plus 1 the whole square is nothing but 4 by 5 square. 4 by 5 square is nothing but what? 4 by 25. If n equal to 5, it gives 5 by 5 plus 1 the whole square. 5 plus 1 the whole square is nothing but 5 by 6 square. It's nothing but 5 by 36. 5 by 36. If n equal to 6, it gives 6 by 6 plus 1 the whole square. So 6 by 7 square, it gives 6 by 49. The next three terms are, what are the next three terms? 4 by 25, 4 by 25, comma, 5 by 36, 5 by 36, comma, 6 by 49. 6 by 49. See, find the first four terms of the sequence whose nth term are given by. So, you can substitute the value of n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3 like this. See, n equal to 1, a1, in the place of n I replace by 1. a1 equal to 1 cube minus 2. What is 1 cube minus 2? 1 minus 2, the value is minus 1. Next, a2 equal to 2 cube. In the place of n you can replace by 2. 2 cube minus 2. It gives 2 cube value is what? 8 minus 2. It gives 6. 8 cube minus 2. It gives 6. A3. A3 equal to, what is that A3? 3 cube. 3 cube minus 2. 3 cube in the place of n, you can replace by 3. 3 cube minus 2. What is 3 cube? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 2. The value is equal to what? 25. Next, A4. They are asking about the first four terms. A4. A4 equal to 4 cube minus 2. 4 cube minus 2. It gives 4 cube. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64 minus 2 equal to 62. So, the first four terms are, what are the terms? Yeah, minus 1, comma, 6, comma, 25, comma, 62. Minus 1, comma, 6, comma, 25, comma, 62. Is it clear? You move on to the next one. What is the next one? an equal to minus 1 power n plus 1, n into n plus 1. So, you substitute in the place of n equal to 1. a1 equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into 1 into 1 plus 1. So, what is the value? It gives minus 1 the whole square. Minus 1 the whole square into 1 into 2. So, it is in a power even number. Minus 1 the whole square means what? 1. So, even number. So, the value is equal to 2. The value is equal to 2. See here, A2. A2, because minus 1 the whole square is 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2. A2 in the place of n, you substitute the value of n equal to 2. Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1. Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 into 2 into 2 plus 1 equal to. So, minus 1 the whole cube. Minus 1 the whole cube. Here 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Minus 1 the whole cube. If the power is in a odd number, the negative sign will come out. Okay, see here. So, minus 1 the whole cube is what? Minus 3 2s are 6. Minus 6. Next, A3. A3 gives minus 1 whole power 3 plus 1 into 3 into 3 plus 1 into 3 into 3 plus 1. It gives minus 1 whole power 4. Minus 1 whole power 4 into 3 into 4. See, power is a even number. If it is a even number, you can get a positive. If it is a odd number, you can get a negative. So, minus 1 whole power 4 is what? 1. Then 4 3s are 12. Next, A4. N equal to 4. Minus 1 whole power 4 plus 1. Minus 1 whole power 4 plus 1 into 4 into 4 plus 1. It gives minus 1 whole power 5. Minus 1 whole power 5 into 4 into 5. So, the power is in a odd number. So, minus 1 whole power 5 gives what? Negative. Minus of minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 20. It gives what? Minus 20. So, the first 4 terms are, the first 4 terms what are the first 4 terms? 2 comma minus 6 comma 12 comma minus 20. 2 comma minus 6 comma 12 comma minus 20. See, find the nth term of the following sequence. You should find out the nth term. Previously, they have given the nth term. You should find out the value of the first 4 terms. But here, you have to find out the nth term of the sequence. See here, 2, 5. What is the difference? 3, 10, 5. 5 is the difference. 17, 10. 7 is the difference. See, if it is like this, how we are going to do? See here, 1 square plus 1 equal to 2. 1 square plus 1 equal to 2. 2 square plus 1 equal to. This number should be common. It should not vary. 2 square, 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 square plus 1 equal to, 3 square is 9, 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Okay, 5 means 2 square, 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 10 means 3 square plus 1, 9 plus 1. 17 means 4 square plus 1, that is 16 plus 1. So, you will check the term plus 1 equal to 17. It goes on like this. What is the nth term? An equal to, see here, these are all the natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, I will write n square plus 1. So, the nth term is, the nth term is n square plus 1. See the second one. See the second one, 0 comma 1 by 2 comma 2 by 3. So, it starts from the whole number. Do not start from the natural number. It starts from the whole number. 0, 1, 2, etc. So, how you will write? See, I will write by 1 also. 0 by 1 is what? 0 only. So, it starts from the whole number. Whole number means what? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 by 1 equal to 0 by 1. 2 minus 1 by, what is the next number? 2, because I substitute the value of n equal to 2. It gives 1 by 2. Is it clear for you? See, it starts from the whole number. So, I reduce n minus 1. N can take the value natural number. N can take the value natural number. What is the natural number? It starts from 1. So 1 minus 1 by 1 equal to 0 by 1. Next, what is the next number? Next number is 2. 2 minus 1 by, because 2 minus 1, you can take in such a way, it should not change. You can change the n value only. So 2 minus 1 by 2, n value 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 by 3, because this is n value, it gives what? 2 by 3. So what is the n value? an equal to, it moves on like this. What is an? An equal to 1, 2, 3, that is n minus 1 by 1, 2, 3. Denominator is also what? N. So the nth term is, the nth term is n minus 1 by n. The nth term is n minus 1 by n. See the third subdivision, 3, 8, 13, 18, but the difference is 5. See, 5, 18 minus 13, 5. So how you will write? But one number should be common. I told you 3 equal to 5 into 1 minus 2. 5 into 1 minus 2. 5 ones are 5, minus 2 equal to 3. Next, 5 into 2 minus 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 2 is what? 8. Next, 5 into 3 minus 2. 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 13. Next, 5 into 4 minus 2. 5 4s are 20. 20 2s are what? 18. So an it goes on. What is an? An equal to 5n minus 2. So the nth term is 5n minus 2. The nth term is 5n minus 2. Okay. See the first sum, fourth sum, first subdivision. Find the indicated terms of the sequence whose nth term are given by. Okay, they have given us a nth term. You should find out the value of a6 and a13. So in the place of n, you replaced by 6. 6 equal to 5 into 6. In the place of n, you replace by what? 6 by 6 plus 2. It gives 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. 60 plus 2 is what? 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. Next, A13. A13 equal to 5 into 13. In the place of n, you replaced by 13 into 13 plus 2. 13 plus 2. So it gives 5 into 13 by 13 plus 2 what? 15. 15 means 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So the answer is what? 13 by 3. The answer is 13 by 3. This also, if you want, you can simplify. See, 2 table you can simplify. 15. 15 twos are 30. 4 twos are 8. Okay, if you want, you can simplify this also. 15 twos are 30 and 4 twos are 8. Then you can move on to the next one. An equal to minus of n square minus 4. Find A4 and A11. First you can take it as A4. A4 equal to minus of 4 square. Minus of 4 square minus 4. Minus of 4 square minus 4. Minus of 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4 is what? 12. 16 minus 4 is 12. So it gives the answer minus 12. What is the next one? A11. A11 equal to 11 square minus 4. 11 square minus 4. So it gives minus 121 minus 4. 121. 121 minus 4. What is the answer? What is the answer? See. 7. 7. See. 1, 1. 117. It gives minus 117. Okay. Is it clear? See the fifth sum. Find A8 and A15 whose nth term is. You can substitute if n equal to even, you can substitute in this because n is even. If n is odd, you can substitute in this equation, in this given term, nth term. Okay, in this given nth term. See, first A8, where 8 is a even number. If n equal to 8, 8 is a even number. If it is a even, you can choose this one, A8. an equal to, what is that an equal to n square minus 1 by n plus 3, n square minus 1 by n plus 3, a8 equal to 8 square minus 1 by 8 plus 3. So it gives 64 minus 1 by 8 plus 3 is what? 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 square is 64 minus 1 by 8 plus 3 is 11. It gives 63 by 11. It gives 63 by 11. So what is the next number? What is the next one we can choose? You can choose the next one is what? N equal to A15. You can find out the value of A15, where n equal to 15, it is a odd number. N equal to 15, it is a odd number. If it is odd, you can choose the next one. An equal to n square by 2n plus 1. N you can replaced by 15. So 15 square by 2 into 15 plus 1. What is 15 square? 225. 15 square is 225. 2 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 1, it gives 225 by 31. A15 equal to 225 by 31. See the sixth sum. If A1 equal to 1, A2 equal to 1, An equal to 2an minus 1 plus an minus 2, n greater than or equal to 3, n belongs to natural number. Find the first 6 terms. See here, A1 equal to 1, A2 equal to 1, n is greater than or equal to 3. What is An? An equal to 2an minus 1 plus an minus 2 plus an minus 2. See, suppose I can substitute n equal to 3. N equal to 3 because n value is given as what? Greater than or equal to 3. N equal to 3, A3 equal to 2a 3 minus 1 plus a 3 minus 2, 2a 3 minus 1 plus a 3 minus 2. It gives 2a2 plus a1. 2a 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 1. You substitute the value. 2 into what is the value of a2? 1. What is the value of a1? 1. So 2 plus 1 it gives what? 3. 2 plus 1 is gives 3 because A3 value is what? 3. Next you move on to A4. You move on to A4. The same thing you can substitute here. See, 2A4 minus 1. In the place of n you replaced by what? 4. 4 minus 1 plus A4 minus 2 plus A4 minus 2. It gives 2A3 plus A2. It gives 2. What is A3 value? 3. A3 value is 3 plus A2. What is A2 value? 1. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 is what? 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. Next A5. Next one is what? A5. 2A5 minus 1. 2A5 minus 1 plus 2A5 minus 1. A5 minus 2. A5 minus 2 gives 2A4. 2A4 plus A3. 2A4 plus A3, it gives 2 into A4. A4 value is what? 7. What is A3 value? A3 value is 3. So, what is that? 14 plus 3, it gives 17. 14 plus 3 is 17. Next, A6. Next, you should find out what? A6. A6 equal to that. Same thing you can substitute in this equation. A6 equal to 2A6 minus 1. 2A6 minus 1 plus A6 minus 2. A6 minus 2, it gives 2A5. 2A5 plus A4 plus A4. It gives 2 into A power 5 value is what? 17 plus A power 4 value is what? 7. 17 twos are what? 34 plus 7. 34 plus 7 is 41. So, the first 6 terms are what are the first 6 terms? See, 1, 1, 3, 7, 17, 41. 1, 1, 3, 7, 17, 41. The first 6 terms are